Hey, you want to check this out? This is the Makita 5-liter sprayer with the specialized restoration head. This combo is unique to Agile equipment as it has been put together with remediation specialists in mind. The Makita 5-liter sprayer makes spraying a breeze. Its cordless 18-volt battery power means that pressurization is always maintained when spraying, and being cordless means it's easy to move around. Its large red paddle switch easily engages the motor and is ergonomic to use. What makes Agile equipment's offer with the Makita 5-liter sprayer special is the unique flat spray head, which disperses the chemical as a single blade for optimal application, as the default head is not ideal for restoration purposes. Other benefits include its use of the universal Makita 18-volt battery that works with all your 18-volt Makita tools, as well as its 8-hour battery life with a 6-amp battery and its 3-kilogram dry weight. All of this makes it perfect to apply such cleaning agents like Benefex Decon 30 and Atomic Degreaser or IQ Pro SaniClean, just to name a few. It's fantastic with use in mold remediation, fire damage restoration, sewage cleanup, and much more. Make your life easier by grabbing the Makita 5-liter sprayer. You won't regret it. You can find the Makita 5-liter sprayer on our website under the sprayers section found in the equipment category. We also sell a range of Makita tools relevant to the restoration industry, including the batteries, so check them out. If you have any questions, give us a call, use the chat function on our website, or drop into the showroom. Thanks for watching.